Welcome. Let's start with our third set of GS paper 1 solutions. So this section pertains mainly to the sections on economics and political science. In economics, if you go through NCERT's 11th and 12th carefully, you would be able to solve some of the macroeconomic numericals that have been asked in the paper. So the very first question talks about the panchayats and the role of panchayats. So panchayats at the intermediate level exist in all states. That is incorrect. It does not exist in the state where the population is not more than 2 million, right? So that's a criteria that has been given. So the first statement goes incorrect. To be eligible to be a member, to be eligible as a member of panchayat, the age should be 21 years. So again, this is an incorrect statement. And then who constitutes a commission to review the financial position of the panchayats and make recommendations for the proceeds of taxes and duties, and that's the governor, not the chief minister, right? So again, this is incorrect. So the question asks which is not correct. Read the question carefully. So all these three are not correct statements. The next is BIMSTEC. BIMSTEC is basically a regional organization covering 7 members as of 2025. That's correct. Now, this came into existence with the Bangkok Declaration, not the Dhaka Declaration. So second is incorrect. Now the founder members are BIMT and BIST and EC. That's how you remember. So that's Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka and Thailand, that is Myanmar, as the founder members, and later on you had Nepal and Bhutan and Myanmar who joined, right? So this statement is incorrect because it includes Nepal here. Next question is, who is the jury of Gandhi Peace Prize? Now Gandhi Peace Prize, Prime Minister is one of the chairman of the jury. Then Chief Justice of India is one of the members, and Leader of Opposition is again member. President is not the jury member. So 2, 3 and 4 are the correct options here. The next is Gagan. Now Gagan is a system which is GPS aided geo-augmented navigation. Now this talks about basically a satellite provision to understand accurate GPS signalings by the use of Indian airspace, and this is designed to provide additional accuracy and integrity. That is correct. It would allow more uniform and higher quality air traffic management. That's again correct. It would provide benefit only in aviation. That is incorrect because it also provides in railway, maritime, in agriculture. So 3 is incorrect. Only 1 and 2 are the correct options. Now note, very important to understand when we are talking about questions like these, as we have seen in the past trend, wherever there is all, none, no, read, double check before answering it, because that single word could actually let you in problem, right? Now this is the AI Action Summit which was recently held in Paris. Now this was co-chaired with India, talking about the advances made at the Beltec Park Summit in 2023 and Seoul in 2024. That's correct, right? The International Year for Women Farmer 2026. That's correct. This was adopted in 2024, right? To declare 2026 as the year. Year for Sustainable and Resilient Tourism 2027. That's correct. Peace and Trust was 2021. So that's incorrect. And then Steroid and Defense not yet released. So only 2 have been the correct of these. Now this is a very theoretical question. You have to just memorize and know it. The next is BRICS Summit. Now again, international relations and international organizations, numerous questions were there. Now this talks about the chairmanship of Russia and Kazan, which is correct, and this was held in 2024. So the 16th BRICS Summit. Indonesia has become a full-time member. The theme was strengthening multiculturalism for just global development and security, and that's correct, and that was the basic. The next question is Lokpal. Now Lokpal applies to public servants of India posted in India and outside. So the first statement is incorrect. The second statement, the chairman shall not be the member of parliament or MLA, and only Chief Justice has to be the chairperson. So only Chief Justice of India has to be the chairperson is incorrect. The first part is correct. It's not just the Chief Justice. It could be a former judge of Supreme Court, an eminent person, or a person with experience in anti-corruption who could also be a member, right? The next question is, the chairperson shall not be a person of less than 45 years. That's correct, and that's the minimum age for appointment. And Lokpal cannot inquire into allegations of corruption against the sitting Prime Minister. That is incorrect. It can, right? So here 2 and 3 are the 2 is again incorrect because the first part is correct, the second part is incorrect, right? So 2, technically the statement would be incorrect. So only 3 would be the correct option here. The next question is the Kho-Kho World Cup. Now 2 to 3 questions on sports. This time sports had a big focus. In Yosha there was a special edition on sports, so this was one of the one which was expected. Then correct. Now the next is Gukesh became the world's youngest winner. That's correct, but it was not after defeating the Russian player. So it is incorrect. And Abhimanyu Mishra holds the record of becoming the youngest world ever grandmaster. So that's again correct, and he is from America. So that was at the age of 12 years 4 months and 25 days. So very, very important to know. And this was once the Gukesh name was announced as the youngest winner. So 2 is the correct option. The next is, some of the rare earth metals are used in manufacturing of flat TV screens and computer monitors. That is correct. Europium is one such which is used in CRT, and then you have some of the uses of phosphorus in LCD as well, and some of the rare earth metals have phosphorescent properties. That's correct, as I said, phosphorus. So you have the phosphorus, so this is the one that relates to A. So both of the statements are correct, and 2 explains 1. The next question is, a national railway has a plan which aims to create a future ready railway system by 2030. So first one is incorrect. Kavach is an automated train protection system which is indigenous to India, not in collaboration with Germany. So it's incorrect. Kavach system consists of RFID tags fitted on the tracks in railway station. Now the core is actually not RFID, but it is radio communication and GPS. So this is again incorrect, and the question says which is incorrect. So technically all 3 of them are incorrect. Now, which of the following talks about microgravity research? So Axiom 4 and Gaganyaan talks about microgravity, and recently SpaceX was in news, and this is specifically pertaining to docking and not related to microgravity. So 1 and 3. So of these only 2 are correct here. The next one is the aircraft and the usage. So if we talk about the aircrafts, we have Dornier 228 as a maritime patrol aircraft. That is correct. C-17 Global Master 3 as a military transport aircraft. That is again correct. IL-76, it's not supersonic in nature, but it is a combat aircraft. So 1 and 3 are the correct options. So only 2 of these are correct. The next question, very basic, very important question from NCERT. Artificial rain can be seen through the use of silver iodide and potassium iodide. So AgI and Ki are the 2 which are used to produce artificial rains, because across the iodide you have the collision of the cloud conditions that are seen. The next is, exercise of powers by the president are subjected to limited judicial review. That is correct. And president can exercise the power without the advice of central government. That is incorrect. President has to take the advice of central government. So only 1 of these statements is correct. On the dissolution of the House of the People, Speaker shall not vacate until before the first meeting of the House of the People after dissolution. That's correct. According to the provisions of the Constitution, member of the House of the People on being elected as a Speaker shall resign immediately. So it's not mandated, right? So this is not correct. The Speaker may be removed from the office by the resolution passed by the majority of the members, provided that no resolution shall be moved until 14 days of notice. So that's again correct. So the question asks about correct. So 1 and 3 would be the correct options. The next is, if any question arises to the member of the House of People which has subject to disqualification under 10th schedule, the president's decision would be considered as final, that is incorrect, right? So there the question can be decided by the chairman, as the case the speaker, right? So there is no mention of the word political party in the constitution, that is again correct. So 52nd amendment 1985 talks about introduction in the constitution. So you have both the statements as incorrect. So which of the following are correct? Neither of these are correct. The next question is, in India, state government has no power for making the rules for grant of concession with regards to extraction of minor minerals. That is incorrect, because under the section 15 of the Mines Act, there is the rules for granting the permission for querying the leases and mining. So this is incorrect. In India, central government has the power to notify minor minerals under relevant laws. That is correct, and this is under the section 3E of the Mines and Minerals Act 1957. So another third question, I believe, from the Mines and Minerals Act, very, very important. Now both of the two statements, one is not correct and two is correct as the right answer. The next is, under European Union, the Natural Restoration Law has been enacted, and that aims for climate change and biodiversity losses, specifically talking about restoring the 20% of the degraded land areas by 2030 and increasing the targets further by 2040 and 2050. That's what has been cited. Now this is a very interesting question from 11th and 12th economics. Now the first question talks about revenue deficit. So revenue deficit is nothing but revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts. So revenue expenditure is 80,000 and revenue receipts are 60,000. So 80 minus 60 is 20. That's correct. Now fiscal deficit 10,000. That's directly given. Government budget shows a borrowing of 10,000 crore. So that's the correct answer. Now the question says primary deficit. So what is primary deficit? Primary deficit is nothing but the fiscal deficit minus the interest payment. So that is 10,000 minus 6,000. So 4,000. That's correct. So all these three are the correct options. The next is, India is one of the founding members of an international North-South transport corridor, and this would connect India to Central Asia to Europe via Iran. So India to Persian Gulf to Iran, then to Russia and Northern Europe, and this would actually connect through the Central Asian countries, which is Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, then you have Armenia and Kazakhstan, right? So those are the routes on path. Now, of the two major ethanol producers, US is producing more than Brazil. So the first statement is incorrect. In US, it is mainly the corn which is used, which is mainly produced, and in Brazil, it is sugarcane which is mainly produced, which is used. So statement 2 is correct, 1 is incorrect. So 1 is not correct and 2 is correct would be the right option here. The next is, World Bank warns about that India could become one of the first places where wet bulb temperature routinely exceeds 35 degrees. Now, peninsular India would most likely be suffering from flooding, tropical cyclones and droughts. That's correct, but this does not point out to the reason, right? So the idea is, it points out just to the threshold that we are at a verge of heat stress, right? So this won't be the correct option for the reflection of routinely exceeding temperatures. And then the survival of animals would be affected as shedding of the body heat through the perspiration would become difficult. That is very, very aligned. So only 2 is the correct option of the 2 statements. Very interesting question, and of course one of the questions from environment again. Now this question is again an interesting question. It talks about gross primary deficit. Now gross primary deficit is what? It is simply the fiscal deficit minus the interest liabilities. So you have fiscal deficit at 50,000 crores, and then there is another value which is given, which is not required for capital receipts right now, but interest liabilities are 1500 crores. So you have 50,000 minus 1500. So there is a gross primary deficit of 48,500 as the right answer. So that's the gross primary deficit, a very, very basic question. Now fiscal deficit, as we know, it's the borrowing which is required by the government to meet the expenditure. Primary deficit is the government's borrowing which excludes the interest payments on the past loans which have been done, and then we have the interest liabilities, which are the payments which have been made by the government on the principal amount of any debt that it has, the outstanding debt it has. So those are the key things that you need to remember, and we are left with the last set which we would be covering shortly. Stay tuned.